Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So this one question has cropped up again and again in the last few days. That sir, November 23 is going to be the last attempt for CA examinations. Will the examinations be really tough because institute would want that more and more students should convert to the new course? So this is one question that students have been asking again and again. And my opinion on this is, my answer is that the examination level, the examination pattern obviously is going to be the existing scheme. The examination level is going to be the same as have been in the past. Some of the papers will be tough. Some of the papers will be easy to tackle with. So I don't think so that it's really a worrisome thing that you should waste your time on this thinking this that the exams might be tough, so I should be dropping out of November 23 and appear for May 2024 attempt. So I don't see any point in wasting time in thinking about this, and it's better you should spend that time in preparing for your November 23 attempt, right? And more importantly, I think as a part of a professional course, a chartered accountancy course, which is one of the most respected course in our country, I think you should be prepared for anything. You should be prepared to tackle any kind of an examination pattern. Obviously, the ICAI is going to ask whatever you have studied from. It is going to be asked from your, the study material, whatever you are studying, and it is not going to be asked beyond that, isn't it? So I think you should be prepared to tackle anything, whether any attempt, whether it is a November 23 attempt, whether it is a May 24 attempt, November 24 attempt, any attempt, the paper level, the difficulty level, a professional level is going to be maintained in all the attempts. So it's better that you focus on your attempt and do not waste time, because the number of hours or the number of minutes you are wasting thinking this, that whether I should be appearing for November 23 or I should go for May 24, if you spend that much of time in your preparations, that would be really better for November 2023, right? So all the best, guys. This is my opinion on this part, that please stop thinking the difficulty level is here. So do not create much difficult situations for yourself by thinking like that the paper level is going to be really difficult. No, it is not going to be that. A professional level will be maintained as always have been by ICAI, right? So that is what I just wanted to share with all of you. All the best for your preparations, and please let me know in the comment section how are your preparations for November 2023 going on. Our batches are also there for November 23. For May 24 also the batches are going to start. So subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for all the latest notifications by ICAI and also on our batches, right? So see you guys till then. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.